Ever wondered why your car drives straight, or why some vehicles seem to float effortlessly around corners? The unsung hero behind your vehicle's stability, handling, and even tire longevity is something called wheel alignment. It's not just about pointing your wheels forward, it's a sophisticated dance of geometry that profoundly impacts how your car performs and feels on the road. At its core, wheel alignment is the process of adjusting the angles of your wheels so they are perfectly perpendicular to the ground and parallel to each other. These precise adjustments ensure your tires meet the road at the optimal angle, minimizing wear and maximizing control. Neglecting it can lead to a host of problems, from rapid tire wear to a car that constantly pulls to one side. There are three primary angles that define your vehicle's wheel alignment: caster, camber, and toe. Each plays a distinct yet interconnected role in how your car tracks, steers, and holds the road. Understanding these three fundamentals is key to appreciating the engineering marvel that keeps your ride smooth and safe. Let's start with caster. Caster refers to the angle of your steering axis when viewed from the side of the vehicle. Imagine a bicycle. The fork leans back slightly. That lean is positive caster. In a car, it dictates steering stability and return to center feel. A properly set caster helps maintain straight line stability, making your car feel planted and less prone to wandering. Positive caster means the top of the steering axis is tilted backward towards the rear of the car. This design promotes self-centering steering, much like a shopping cart wheel, and improves high-speed stability. Conversely, negative caster, where the top of the steering axis tilts forward, can make steering lighter but also less stable, requiring constant corrections to drive straight. Next up is camber. Camber is the inward or outward tilt of the wheel when viewed from the front of the vehicle. It's crucial for maintaining optimal tire contact with the road during cornering. Correct camber settings ensure even tire wear and provide maximum grip when you turn, balancing the forces acting on the tire. Positive camber means the top of the wheel tilts outward from the vehicle. While less common on modern cars, it can be used to compensate for heavy loads or specific handling characteristics. Negative camber, where the top of the wheel tilts inward, is often seen on performance vehicles. It helps maintain a larger tire contact patch during hard cornering, enhancing grip and stability. Finally, we have toe. Toe refers to how much the front of your wheels are turned inward or outward relative to each other when viewed from above. This angle is perhaps the most critical for tire wear and straight-line tracking. Even a slight deviation can cause significant scrubbing of the tires. Toe-in occurs when the front edges of the wheels are closer together than the rear edges. This typically promotes straight-line stability, but can increase understeer. Toe-out, on the other hand, means the front edges of the wheels are further apart. This can improve turn-in response and reduce understeer, but often at the expense of straight-line stability and increased tire wear. Understanding these angles isn't just academic. Proper alignment is paramount for several practical reasons. It directly impacts your safety by ensuring predictable handling, extends the life of your expensive tires by preventing uneven wear, and even improves fuel economy by reducing rolling resistance. It's an investment that pays dividends in safety and savings. How do you know if your alignment is off? Common symptoms include uneven and rapid tire wear, like feathering or scuffing on one edge of the tire. You might also notice your steering wheel isn't centered when driving straight, or that your vehicle consistently pulls or drifts to one side. A loose or vague steering feel is another telltale sign that something isn't right. So, how is alignment performed? It's a precision task that requires specialized equipment. Technicians use advanced laser or camera systems to measure these angles with incredible accuracy. They then make tiny adjustments to suspension components, like tie rods and control arms, to bring the wheels back into their manufacturer-specified parameters. When should you get your alignment checked? It's recommended anytime you purchase new tires, after hitting a significant pothole or curb, if you notice any of the misalignment symptoms, or after any suspension or steering component replacement. Regular checks, typically annually or every 12,000 miles, are also a wise preventative measure. The hidden science of caster, camber, and toe is truly fundamental to your vehicle's performance and longevity. By understanding these critical angles and ensuring your car maintains proper alignment, you're not just saving money on tires, you're investing in a safer, more enjoyable, and more efficient driving experience every single day.